Hello kids, Romy Kids Songs with you. Don't forget to follow our channel and like the video.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, we love to meet. C is for cat, so soft and bright. D is for dog, running in the light. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for grapes, purple and fine. H is for hat, looking so divine. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, a sweet delight. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, roaring in the sky. M is for monkey, swinging in the tree. N is for nose, as big as can be. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for panda, sleeping at night. U is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger, ready to bite. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for van, driving by. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee. Yeah. Y is for yellow, bright as the sun. Z is for zebra, running, having fun.
Don't forget to follow us. Subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. Bye-bye.